So here's what I got so far. Basically, it would be like this on against my fence, and this would be the one by the shed. This would be the second, third, fourth by the dog pen or whatever. It used to be a dog pen. But I got sweet corn, cucumbers, pole beans coming up a little bit, not much. Keystone resistant giant peppers, bloomingdale, spinach, radishes. I'm not really sure what's going on with this. Over here I realize there's like watermelon or cantaloupe coming up, maybe a sunflower. I do have a corn. I've seen a few corn stalks. Tomatoes. I think a few tomatoes are coming up. I'm not sure what. I put cherry and like other ones together. I forget what it's called. It's the bigger ones, and then you got the littler ones from China. And I got bush beans, carrots. But yeah, sunflowers, and I got marigolds all the way around the outside. And it basically been like this, so they couldn't come in through my yard. They got to come in through the fence on the neighbor's side, any bugs or anything. So yeah, that's what I got so far, and let's go look. So I had to fix this. It's falling down on me every year. This comes apart, so I put super glue around it. Hopefully it'll hold at least through the summer. But I don't know, I screwed up. I should have, there's like cobwebs and stuff in this, and I tried to blow on it. I don't know. Hopefully maybe it'll blow itself out over time, but I put food, fertilizer in here, plant food. It was for indoor plants for real, but oh well. But this is what it turned it into. It's like overnight basically almost. And this is that side where the corn and everything was, because this is the shed side. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. But yeah, it's getting tall. A lot of grass and stuff. I don't really know how much of what all I got, but like, yeah, I think I got some stuff coming up here. And it looks like a tomato plant or something. Maybe it's a weed, but it's gonna let stuff go and see what happens. I might try to get in here and clear some of the stuff that looks like grass out. But there's one corn stalk for sure right here, right in the middle. And there's one behind it, and I think there's another one there, down below it. And I think this took over so quick that I don't know, it's blocking the shade of all my corn and stuff. But we'll see what happens. All my stuff's actually doing good. Like all the big leafy vines, you know, it's every year. I've never had a problem with it. I got all my solar lights I have to check every time because the squirrels jump up here and mess it up. But my cats have been doing a good job, I think, of keeping everything out of it back here. They like to come back here and mice hunt. See, I got more stuff here too. A little bit. I don't know what all. Something's been eating all my stuff. Ladybugs, and I think them lightning bugs. Maybe I've seen some of them on it, but must be good luck for me this year. I don't know. We'll see. I started late as hell, but I think there might be tomato plants, a few here, and I don't know what there might be some other viney thing I threw in here maybe. I had some stuff back there, might be lettuce or something, Bolton, I don't know, but that's what I got so far. And I had to fix this. I super glued them pipes in there. Hopefully they'll hold on there and they'll drain correctly into it, but that's what I got so far.